It's been a breezy but sunny afternoon here in West Michigan. Nonetheless, it is still cold, but the good news is we're going to start to warm things up a little bit closer to seasonable temperatures. 13 weather ball is red for the second day in a row. Even milder weather ahead as we flirt with the melting point here tomorrow in this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a high of 26 this afternoon. It's made it to 24. We have had a good streak here in the past 5 or 6 days. Only 3 misses. No, I count 2 misses here in the past 31 days where we have not come within 3 degrees of our forecast high. Snowfall, it's been a snowy January. We are 11 inches above average. For the winter season since December 1st, we're pretty close to where we should be, and we're about 2.5 inches for the entire season of snowfall. Snowfall around the region is still running a deficit with the exception of here in Grand Rapids and in Flint, about a foot below average over here in Muskegon, and up north along the Lake Superior shoreline. Finally, a surplus. Already 93 inches has fallen in the Marquette area. Temperatures tonight will be climbing out of the 20s into the low and mid 30s overnight and during the day tomorrow. Might be a sprinkle or a snow flurry late in the afternoon, but not enough to put in the forecast. The reason why we cooled off from late December is because the jet stream shifted to the west, north, and west, and that is going to continue for the next several days. We got a little bit of a trough going through on Thursday that might bring us a light snow flurry, but nothing to write home about. And even the next system that comes through early part of the weekend is going to take most of the snow, if not all of it, well to our south and west. So really nothing that would impact your weather through the weekend. That may change a little bit next week, but you notice the overall flow is out of the west and northwest. That is not a warm direction, so we don't see any chance of warming things up for the next several days. In fact, over the weekend and last Friday, the long range outlook was issued for the 22nd through February 4th. We have the highest probabilities of seeing colder than average temperatures, which at that time are around 30 to 31. And the storm track is so far to the west and south, coming down in through here and coming up through the southeast, that we have high chances that we'll see less snow during that time period. So maybe into a snow drought as we get into the last few weeks of January. Well, we'll start out the day with sunshine along the lakeshore, but the high clouds will filter that sun in the afternoon. These are afternoon highs above freezing into the mid 30s. Up north, temperatures will be climbing to around 32 to 34. Morning sunshine, afternoon clouds, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see temperatures in the mid 30s between about 35 and 37. 13 on your side forecast. After a few days around or warmer than the melting point, we'll drop to 22 on Friday and 18 on Saturday. Lots of sunshine. Best chance for anything that would be meaningful will be some overnight snow Sunday night into Monday morning, the holiday, and again next Tuesday. Other than that, it's going to cool off again the middle part of next week.